So refreshing. Welcome back to another natural juice video. Yeah man, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, so what you're looking at are June plums. Got a little piece of ginger right there, and I got a pineapple. So these are the ingredients that I'll be using to make this natural juice. So stay tuned. Do remember, like the video, and if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Stay tuned. So I'm just cutting up the June plums. Do remember, give this video a like, and if you are new to the channel, you're just scrolling through and you find the channel, you're watching, please consider subscribing to the channel. Please remember to also click the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. Okay, stay tuned. So this is just a quick and easy natural juice recipe packed with vitamins, yeah, that are good for your body. Yeah, build up your immune system. Yeah, that's what it's all about. Yeah man, something refreshing. Alright, so this is it. Yeah, so finish cutting up the June plums, as you can see. Yeah, so I'm going to prepare the pineapple now, so y'all just stay tuned. Remember, like the video, and if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Stay tuned. So I'll give the pineapple a wash. I'm getting the pineapple peel. I'm not a pro at peeling pineapples, you know. Yeah. But you know, I'm going to try a thing, you know. And all the skins you can put them into water and soak them and you get another juice. So this is it. I'm just going to take out these. Got this pine in my backyard right here at home. Right here at home. So I'm cutting the pineapples in right now, getting them in with the June plums. Yeah, just like that. Nice. So there we have it. Yeah man, the pineapples cut and the June plum cut. So it's time to get to blending now. So stay tuned. Alright, so I'm gonna get in the pineapple and the June plums and the ginger inside the blender now. Yeah. Pineapples, June plums, and we're blending them together. Okay? Yes, that's what we're doing. Don't pack it up too much. So just can get in some water. So just gonna add some more ingredients. Time to strain the juice. Alrighty, I'm gonna do it like this. I'm going to take my time. What I have here, some white sugar. So I'm going to sweeten up with some white sugar, yeah man, some foreign sugar. Foreign, I get that sugar here from. So I'm just use it up, you know. See what time o'clock is strike now? Yeah man, time for Dalvy, yeah man, time for drink some of my juice. Yeah man, natural juice. I go on Motor Lake. So refreshing. I just want to take this time out to big up all my viewers and big up all my subscribers every time. Heart love and respect every time. Do remember like the video, and if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Yeah man, so it's a natural juice, yeah, natural way outside, you know. You all should give this one a try if you haven't tried this one as yet. Let's give it a try. You can even just make a June plum juice by itself. Yeah. Or if you want to add some star fruit, if you want to add some guinea like I did. If you want to add a pineapple, just do your thing, man. Yeah, man. So big up and bless up again, you know.